TrendCapture is a major enhancement over other logging DMMs, which must upload data to a computer to graph and view the results. Unlike these other DMMs, the Fluke 280 series digital multimeter has the ability to graphically review information on the meter immediately after the recording session is completed. You can initiate recording from any function by simply pressing Save and selecting from a few recording parameters, such as the length of recording, anywhere from 1 minute to 8 days. View the trended data to identify any suspicious events that might suggest further testing, and use the unique zoom feature to take a closer look. For capturing intermittent events and monitoring, there's no greater advancement in the world of DMMs than Fluke's TrendCapture functionality.